This is the MAXVAC Supra 170 industrial vacuum. It is a 3-motor, 65-litre battery-powered vacuum, which uses two 24-volt batteries, allowing for up to 4 hours battery life. The battery-powered function allows incredible versatility for use within areas that are hard to reach for mains power supplies. It is M-class certified, so perfect for use on site, as well as for use within joinery shops, warehouses, many more places that it may be hard to reach for power. It is a Teflon covered filter, meaning the filter is incredibly durable. It also makes it incredibly versatile and great with many different kinds of dust, as the filter doesn't become blocked up and sticky. Fantastic vacuum, incredibly easy filter cleaning system on it as well. You simply undo this top here and you're away, filter clean. All 3 motors are individually powered, so you can power 1, 2 or 3 as and when you choose, meaning you don't have to run all 3 motors at the same time, allowing for A, a longer battery life, and B, use with smaller power tools for things like dust extraction, on-tool extraction, as well as full use as and when required.